You know what's weird is, did he just capture a UFO when he tilted up to the sky? Oh, okay, I'm looking at that thing. See that black? It looks like a... See that? Is that on his camera, or is that something up in the sky here? I'm guessing it's something up in the sky. Anyway, I don't know what it was. See, it's still up there. It tilts up. See, that'd be perfect for the neighborhood stuff, wouldn't it? And then there's these three white lights up here. Do you see these up here? 1, 2, 3. So there's three white lights. And then there's that. Let me see. Can I slow this thing down? I can. Wait. Oh, it's slowest as that? Okay, then. Give me a sec. Hold on. Turn that down. So see, there's that. It looks like, I don't know, is it an airplane? Is that an airplane up there? I don't know. You see the black? And then right underneath it, you can see the three white lights. See them? 1, 2, 3. White, big white lights. Are they orbs? There's another one up here. Over to the right. Almost right in line with that black cross. Looks like a black cross or an airplane. I'm not sure. So yeah, it's kind of interesting. So let's watch. Oh, it still goes pretty fast. So okay, we get it. All right. Anyway, it's kind of a fun one to look at. Dissect a bit. Here's another really... So this is a good one because there's an example of many of them in one place together. Let me see if I can't make that a little bigger. Part 1. Yep, it's a good one. Look at that. Those aren't kites.
No, sigo viendo lo mismo. Pero lo que pasa es que de aquí a una tele ya se ve más. Po.
Look at those. Little demonic manifestations. And I want to real quickly take a look at, because that's a good one. I want to see if, I'm going to go ahead and go to this person's channel. I'm going to follow them. And I'm going to see, you know, it's weird about TikTok. One of the things is you can't